Mercedes-Benz GLC C Class LCD instrument disassembly and assembly tutorial. Pry open the baffle under the steering wheel. Unscrew the screws on both sides of the instrument. Take out the original instrument. Unplug the instrument plug. Unscrew the screws of the original instrument. Open the back cover of the original instrument. Unplug the cable. Remove the instrument panel. Remove the silver ring. Unscrew the screws. Take off the small screen and remove the pointer. Remove the motherboard. Put the small screen back. Tighten the screws. Connect the wires. Put the assembled motherboard back on the plastic cover. Connect the LCD instrument of our company. Connect the USB cable. Cover the back cover. Tighten the screws. Connect the wires. And wiring. Connect the USB plug on the power cord to the underside of the steering wheel through the center console. Install the LCD instrument. Tidy up the wires behind the LCD instrument into the central control to avoid the shell from not fitting tightly. Connect the USB plug to the central control screen. If not, the instrument and large screen cannot be linked. Install the instrument and tighten the two screws below. Put the buckle provided by our company onto the shell provided by our company. When installing the upper shell, align the buckle below the shell first. Then align with the two upper clips. Lift the shell up a little. Align the edge of the shell with the car's mechanism. Press it inward. The face shell is installed. Install the plastic baffle under the steering wheel. Installation completed.